I just want to quickly take you through some of the results that we've achieved for other clients. So let's take a look at TC Gen, which is a management consulting practice based out of Palo Alto. They work with Fortune 500 companies like 3M, Amazon, Apple, Cisco, IBM, Roche, and a number of others. And we've been very successful with not only improving their SEO, but with converting that traffic into paid consulting gigs. In 2022 alone, the business more than doubled their revenue thanks to the inbound leads that they started to generate. So if you look back when we started working with them in early 2020, they were only getting about just around 300 visitors a month. Now, in October of last year, that peaked at 25,000 visitors a month. It's dipped a little bit, but the overall gain has been tremendous. And just I want to point out how we do that. So we add a lot of written content that helps a brand get ranked. We really go in depth on the nuances of the business's expertise. So in this case, we're talking about agile consulting, product management consulting, product development consulting, and then program management consulting. There are nuances in all these different subfields. And then what we've done is add a ton of insights to the website. So all these different pages are able to get ranked, and they all end up adding in the ability for the site to generate more traffic. So here's some additional clients that they work for, but only enterprise deals are coming in for a business of this nature, but they're really doing it through their organic traffic, which you can see here with consistent content marketing has increased by a very large multiple compared to where they were at, let's say, the start of, in 2019 or in even going back to as far as 2016. It's just a few hundred visitors a month, and it has really exploded simply by bringing out the expertise in the form of written content, including a few content offers within various points on the website, and then really elaborating on different services that they offer and going more in depth on what those differences are, why they're valuable, and getting into a little bit of the nuances of those services, all of which is written, all of which is very highly rankable. We can do the same for you. Please feel free to reach out and let's get in touch and talk about how we can grow your website traffic in a similar way.